So, first, what is the YouTube algorithm? The YouTube algorithm is a smart system that decides which videos to show to which viewers. It helps rank videos and plays a huge role in whether your content goes viral or not. Now let's talk about what has changed in 2025. YouTube has made some major updates. It no longer just looks at views. Now it focuses more on viewer intent, interest, and interaction with the video. Watch time and retention are more important than ever. If your viewers watch most of your video instead of leaving early, the algorithm considers it valuable and promotes it to more people. Click through rate CTR is another big factor. That means how many people actually click your video after seeing your thumbnail and title. A high CTR tells YouTube that your video is attractive and worth pushing. Engagement is also key. This includes likes, comments, shares, and even replies. The more people interact with your video, the more likely it is to show up in search and recommendations. YouTube Shorts are booming in 2025. The algorithm is giving a lot of attention to short videos, especially those between 15 and 30 seconds that deliver value quickly. If you're not posting shorts, you're missing out on a big opportunity. Also, AI is now deeply involved. YouTube's algorithm can now understand your video content using voice recognition, captions, and even image analysis. It knows what your video is about beyond just the title and description.